I stopped doing videos on Uber and Lyft because oversaturating the market with a lot of drivers is a bad thing. I understand the dynamics and how much you can make, and I understand how convenient it is to actually do this, and I respect it. A lot of people that I put on don't respect money. I don't watch people sign up and not really commit to the rides, not really get the extra money using my code, not really get to the bag. And I got tired of promoting it, and I'm not promoting it now. Right now, I'm here to bring you logic and understanding. See, first, when I first started working for myself, right? First of all, I was working since I was like 16. I always had a job, right? And I realized that working paycheck to paycheck didn't work. I always used to pray to God, be like, yo, man, I hope you create a way where we could just make money and just it be ours. I don't know how, but I wish you could make a way for us to just be able to make money and make money. Like, I used to always pray for stuff like that. And I seen people doing Uber when they was getting like $500 for 10 rides. Like they was killing it back in the day, getting rich, literally rich off of just Uber and Lyft. But I didn't really respect it when it first came out. Like a lot of people, we just thought about it, but some of us were scared to drive. I ain't had my license back then, and etc. So when I first started doing YouTube, that introduced me to the game of working for yourself. I was putting in work every day. I was getting hundreds of thousands of views. I got videos with millions of views. I'm not here to brag, but YouTube introduced me to working for yourself. I was up 16 hours working on one video, just video, video, video. I got over 700 videos, 3 channels. Now, Philly SIG, I still do that channel, but I fell back because equipment broke. I got to buy new equipment, etc. It's really a business. It's something that you got to invest in. Now I'm still keeping it running, but however, still working for myself doing YouTube, still making money on YouTube. I created this channel and made money from people signing up. That's pretty much pretty cool and everything, but I'm not here to brag over that shit. It's not really something that I can say here and be like, I got a million people signed. It's not that deep. I'm not even here to bitch about people signing up. It is what it is. Oversaturating the market is a bad thing. I know how much you can make, which is bad for you. You feel what I'm saying? Because anyway, I digress. Working for yourself doing YouTube, boom. Then I finally got my license, you have to do food delivery for the first year because you gotta have your license for a year to do Uber and Lyft. I didn't know that. So I had my license and I was like, yeah, signed up for Uber. They was like, what are you doing? No, you need a year to actually do. So I had to do all the DoorDash, Uber Eats. I had to do like food delivered like Instacart. I did and it did all of those, delivering around the city or whatever, whatnot. That's actually work. I ain't gonna lie. It's like you might as well just have a full-time job or 2 jobs. It's the same shit because you literally getting out the car, getting the food, waiting for food, like you're putting in work, getting out the car, moving. So anyway, after that year, I finally learned about the hustles of the food delivery, how much you can make doing that. But you able to cash out like that, making money like that. And you put in your own hours, you building work ethic. I learned the routes around the city. I learned everything I needed to know. Then introducing another way. Then I learned about credit and building credit. And I could come out with a video talking about that. If you want me to go in on credit, please leave a comment in the section below explaining credit or whatever, or credit tricks, whatever. But credit, it's important. But this video ain't about that. Anyway, so then working for yourself, because I don't even want to talk about the building, the credit card. I don't even want to talk about it. But anyway, so then I get into doing Uber and Lyft, and I find out how much you can make doing that. And I started doing that, and I'm working for myself. And I'm building. I got to make my own schedule. I'm out there grinding, and I learned everything you need to know about Uber and Lyft, and I presented it on this channel. Everything you need to know. I'm not gonna keep on reiterating the same thing or the same videos and revamping them. No, because it's gonna convince too many people to actually do this. Now, what's logic? It's 4 minutes into the video. Hit the like button if watching this video because it's about to tell you exactly what I know that you probably don't know or don't care about, and which is good for me and other drivers out there. Now, when I'm not even going to talk about the code. I'm not, because you get thousands, like you get extra bread when you use somebody code and sign up. It's better that I didn't use somebody code and was pissed when I seen that I could have used my code, made 2,000 from a couple hundred rides. If I would have just used somebody damn code, I would have made a couple extra bread. So you could use the damn codes that's in the description below. I don't care if you use it or not, because too many drivers is a bad thing. Anyway, I'm looking at it like this. You got a full-time job. Let's say you work Let's say you work 5, 6, 7, or 8 hours, 4 to 5 days out of the week. No, I'm not even going to talk about that. If you own your car, you could be rich doing Uber. You guarantee can make $100 a day, and that's on easy mode. You could work in the morning and make $50, work at night and make $50. That's $100 a day. That's 700 a week. That's 1,400 every 2 weeks. You feel what I'm saying? 1,400 every 2 weeks. Then you add that, and that's damn near what, 2,800 or whatever. You're missing a lot. You're missing thousands of fucking dollars a month. Some people need extra bread to get to their check. Some people need extra bread to get through the week. Some people need gas money. They need grass money. They need money to get through life. You understand what I'm saying? You need money on the spot, not waiting. I gotta wait a week for my check. So most people bitch about their checks and bitch about waiting for money. Don't realize they could be doing this and then build and have a goal to put into a business or something else. A goal amount to make to actually invest. But if you own your car, I'm not talking about rentals here because I can and I already done it. And you go watch those past videos. If you own your car, imagine if you paying $700, $800 a goddamn, you know what I mean, month for your car payment or whatever. Say if you paying 1,000 for your car payment, you could guarantee yourself 700 a week. So 1 week can pay off your car. That's $100 a day if you just want to drop that. You could actually make more than that. You actually on the 7, 8, 9s, 10s, like thousands. If you live in Philadelphia, New Jersey, cross the bridge and come to Philly, and I mean, kill it. Because we're killing it in the cities. You feel what I'm saying? You guaranteed to make damn near from 700 to 1,000 damn week. And definitely can make more than that, but I'm not even going to explore on that. The fact of the matter is, if y'all are not signed up, that's good for other drivers because it'll be oversaturated. We know you can guarantee at least 150 to 200 a day. That's guaranteed. And then if you guarantee yourself the 200 a day, that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That's 1,200 a week. 1,200 a week. That's, come on, man. You do the math. 2,400 every 2 weeks. How much is that extra a month? Because I don't feel like doing the math. 4,800. You missing a lot of money. And I'm so serious. You can make 100 every morning, 100 at night. If you don't got a job or if you're tired of your job, you got your backup plan. You feel what I'm saying? You know what? I'm sick of this place. It don't give me enough hours. It don't give me too many hours. You can make the same amount doing this and the same amount. If you own your car, that's so much. Like, people who rent their cars are so envious of people who own a car or have some type of lease or whatever because it's so much money out here if you do Uber or Lyft. So that's the reason why I would sign up. I don't know about y'all, but if I could guarantee myself an extra $100 every day for the minimum amount of work, you know what I mean? 5, 6 hours of work, boom, got me an extra bean in my pocket. Every day, do that shit 7 days a week, it'll be over with. Like, if you really think about it, people working jobs, like, y'all be so pissed and y'all be so tight, and I'll be like, damn, that's crazy. People be up there like, yo, man, I gotta wait 2 weeks for my check. Every day you could be paid. Every day you could be like, let me do a couple rides. Boom, 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 boom. All right, I got enough for I gotta buy this, I gotta buy that, gotta buy this, buy that. Boom, you do a couple of rides, you made it. And you telling me that's dumb or that's weird? I ain't even doing no more videos on it. I just wanted to come here to explain it. Tell me that how does that make sense? When you finally start working for yourself or start doing stuff for yourself, we damn near public transportation. It ain't really working for yourself, but you know what I mean. When you able to set your own hours and do your own thing and master the ability to do it and come up with clever ways to make sure you maintain some professionalism and you actually treat it like a job, I'm thousands of rides in on both of them. I mean, at the end of the day, man, if you own your car, even if you use a rental, you know what I'm saying? I got another. If y'all want me to come up with a video for all the rentals or the rental services, the best ones and all that, tell me in the comment section below. But at the end of the day, that's the video, man. It just makes sense to do Uber, to do Lyft. Like, it just makes sense. Subscribe to the channel if new, hit the like button, check out past content. That's as much as I could really. Like, people was sitting here waiting for their checks and shit and mad or like can't afford certain shit. And it's like, yo, you could do Uber and literally add that a little bit of revenue. What if you just need like $300 extra a week? That's the, like, you could easily, like, but hey, it is what it is. I'm out.